we're heading out, going to Innsbruck, and then after that, going to Fusen. Bye!
Today we'll be heading to Fusen, so we decided to stop at Innsbruck. For some reason, from Mittenwald to Fusen versus Mittenwald to Innsbruck to Fusen is around like 30 extra minutes to go to a new city, Innsbruck. We wanted to check it out anyway, so we are here in Innsbruck. We have maybe an hour or two to check it out. We're walking full backpacks. So this is the max setup of what you're gonna see. Us looking like Fusen, Innsbruck, tiny bit of Innsbruck, 1.5 days of Fusen. Here we go.
Welcome to Innsbruck, Austria, the Alpine capital that most people just pass through on their way to ski resorts or Salzburg. But if you were to slow down here, even just for an hour, which we are doing, this place starts to reveal some seriously cool secrets. First off, Innsbruck isn't just cute buildings and snowy peaks. This city has been a major power player for centuries. In fact, Emperor Maximilian I basically turned Innsbruck into his personal political and cultural HQ back in the 1400s. That giant golden roof that I'm going to be showing you right here, it wasn't just for show, it was where he stood to flex his empire while watching the parades below. One of the wildest hidden in plain sight gems here is the Triumphal Arch, which you can see here. From one side, it's a celebration of a royal wedding, but on the other side, it's a full-on funeral memorial. The groom's dad sadly passed away during the wedding, so instead of rebuilding a whole new arch, they just turned half of it into a tribute to the man. From a panoramic perspective, the Bergisel Ski Jump is a must visit. Redesigned by an acclaimed architect, Zaha Hadid, this architectural marvel not only hosts international competitions, but also offers breathtaking views of the city and surrounding peaks. Viewers can ascend to the viewing platform, dine in the panoramic restaurant, and even witness athletes in training, bridging the gap between sport and design. Delving into Innsbruck's cultural tapestry, the Tyrolean Folk Art Museum stands out. Hosting an exclusive collection of regional artifacts, the museum provides insight into the daily lives of tradition and artistry of Tyrol inhabitants. From intricately carved masks to traditional costumes, it's a journey into the heart of Tyrolean heritage.
Anyone want a new money-making business? Charge people to sit on your bikes over there to take a good picture. Otherwise, you know, just sitting on these random bikes. Like, what is going on? Obviously, we are tourists, but please never be that disrespectful.
Yeah, that was
you
next
are
level.
Mounting on somebody's bike. This
I
is
know.
probably a $2,000 road bike, and you know these people are just getting on them for pictures. Like,
Yeah, I also.
and blocking this whole bike lane.
Yeah.
Like, obviously we're tourists, but
We always
that's on a
respect
different
another
level.
people's property.
That's insane. Like,
Many of them were mounting other people's bikes. It was kind of insane. So I would just suggest if you live here, don't park your bike here. Like, or if you do,
you
make sure
think
it's
it would
a
be
crappy
safe
bike.
though? Like, park your bike here. This is a good spot to park your bike in general, and you have a really good view.
But just do not do that.
Yeah.
Like, that was kind of insane.
At least we are trying to be respectful.
Yeah, and at least we are respectful.
Yeah, no, yeah.
That was something else.
Yeah.
That was really weird.
Whenever you look up Innsbruck, this is the main picture you will see. So this is, you know, if we only had one thing we were able to see, we thought it would be a good idea to at least check this off our box. So cool. There's so many colorful buildings here, and obviously this river is crystal clear. We can actually see the mountains in the background. Seems like a really just nice strolling weekend shopping location.